Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 7th in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn, discuss and understand lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. We have learnt HCF, that is highest common factor, and LCM, that is least common multiple, in our previous class. Now children, can you tell me what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that are only divisible by 1. And which is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. Can you give me some more examples of prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, correct, 13, 17 and many more. Good. Prime numbers are those numbers that are only divisible by 1. Now what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers which have only 1 as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. For example, 10 and 21 are co-prime because the divisors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. That means 10 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 5 and divisible by 10. While the divisors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. Again, it means that 21 is divisible by 1, divisible by 3, divisible by 7 and divisible by 21. Now, what is the common factor here of 10 and 21? 1. Yes. So, the only factor common to both 10 and 21 is 1. And so, we can say that 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. So, what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers which have only 1 as a common factor are said to be co-prime numbers. Children, you also have to remember that two consecutive means the numbers that comes one after the other. Two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime. For example, 20, 21, 67, 68 are co-prime numbers. There are many more consecutive natural numbers that are co-prime. Now, some examples of co-prime numbers are 3, 8. Now, what are the divisors of 3? 1 and 3. And what are the divisors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, what is common there? Which number is common? Yes, 1 is only common. So, we can say that 3, 8 is also a co-prime numbers. Then 4 and 9. Now, what are the divisors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. And for 9, 1, 3, 9. Again here, which is the common factor? 1. So, we can also say that 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. So, in this way, we can find out which are co-prime numbers. You have to remember that two numbers which have only 1 as a common factors are said to be co-prime numbers. Now, we know that what are prime numbers. We know what are co-prime numbers. Now, let's see twin prime numbers. Now, twin prime numbers are numbers that is either 2 less or 2 more than another prime number. That means if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, difference means minus. If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5. Now, 3 and 5. We know that 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers also. Right? It is a co-prime numbers. But when you see the difference, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, when you find that the difference between two co-prime number is 2, then we can say that it is a twin prime numbers. Now just see the second example, 5, 7. Now 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Difference, 7 minus 5 is 2. You are getting 2. So it is a twin prime numbers. Whereas in co-prime numbers, you have to see that which have only 1 as a common factor. Here in twin prime number, you are going to see that the difference between the co-prime number should be 2. So when you find out that the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, then we can say that they are twin prime numbers. Hope children you have understood what are prime numbers, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Now I will continue with this chapter in my next session. Thank you and God bless.